between that, I'm going to be making. What am I making? It's okay.
What are we making?
Pork chops. What are the puppies doing? These are pork chops. Delicious, easy, and yummy. Who all out there likes pork chops? I know a lot of people don't like it, but they're so delicious. Don't worry, I washed my hands. Anaya, can you not do that, please? Hold on, I'll be back. Wash my hands. Naya? Okay, now we are going to spice it up. So I'm going to use, are you going to help or just going to watch?
Help.
Okay. I say 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, do you want to do the spices?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. And then I'm going to pour some oil in it. Okay. You can do the... Go ahead. No. And this is my beautiful daughter. What do you have on your face?
I'm playing.
No, you need to go wipe it off. Say goodbye. You were not supposed to be wearing makeup, right? Naya? Hey, 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 hey. Naya? Then I just rub it in. Rub it in. You've got to make sure you wash your hands lots of times because this is pork. And, I mean, you want to wash it with anything that you make, but... Pat it. So I'm going to be doing recipes on this channel probably every night. Maybe I'm going to see how it goes. Hold on. Okay, take some tin foil. Where's tin foil? I'm going to line a baking sheet. Anaya, what are you doing?
Did you add all the spices in it?
Yes, I did. I'm not sure this is gonna fit. Gonna have to make way. Sorry if you guys can hear my puppies in the background. They're playing. Okay, sorry, I'm back. My battery died. So these are ready to go in the oven. They're going to go in at 350 for 45 minutes, maybe longer, depending. And put some pepper on it. Does it not look delicious? Okay, I'll be back when it's done. Guys, so the next step is broccoli. Pretty simple. Maya, did you get it?
Yeah.
Where is it? Then you should get your PJs on for bed. So the broccoli is all chopped up and I'm waiting for it to boil, and then I'm going to make my sides and I will come back when I'm doing that. And how about you guys? Tell me what you're having for dinner. So this is my next step at dinner. It is sidekicks. Oops. Sour cream and chives sidekicks. Sounds delicious. It's my first time having them, so I'll let you know. So in here I have 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of water, and yeah, we just have to wait for it to boil. So I will be back when it's boiled. So here's my broccoli, here's my sidekicks, and my pork chops. Let me see if I can. Do they not look delicious? Okay, so I'll be back when it's all done and plated. Okay, so everything is done. Sidekicks, pork chop, broccoli. That's my baby girl's plate. She's gonna be my taste tester. How does the broccoli taste?
Super good.
I like to put sliced cheese on mine. So everybody, drop me a comment down below, subscribe, and like. And I want to give a shout out to Phillips Fam Bam. Boom shakalaka.
Say
it.
Boom shakalaka.
Konnichiwa.